Hi students, today we discuss a new concept, that is atomic number and mass number. What is meant by atomic number? The number of protons present inside the nucleus or the number of electrons present outside the nucleus in a neutral atom is called atomic number. The atomic number will be represented by a symbol Z. Mass number, the sum of the number of protons and the number of neutrons present in the nucleus of an atom is called mass number. That means mass number, that is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. This mass number will be represented by a symbol A. An element can be represented as X, Z, A, where X is an element, A is the mass number, Z is the atomic number. The relationship between A, Z and neutrons, that means protons, neutrons and electrons, can be represented as A, that is equal to Z plus N. N, that is equal to A minus Z. That means number of neutrons, that is equal to mass number minus atomic number, then we get the number of neutrons. For example, carbon atomic number 6 and mass number is equal to 12. That means atomic number 6, that is equal to the number of protons or number of electrons. The carbon containing 6 protons and 6 electrons, and mass number is equal to 12. That means the number of protons and number of neutrons is equals to 12. The carbon containing 6 neutrons. That means when we subtract 12 minus 6, that means mass number minus atomic number, then we get the number of neutrons. That means the carbon containing 6 neutrons, 6 protons and 6 electrons. Next, another example is fluorine. This fluorine containing atomic number 9, that means containing 9 protons and 9 electrons, and mass number is equals to 19. That means the number of protons and the number of neutrons, that is equals to 19. The number of neutrons which will be presented in a fluorine, that is equals to 19 minus 9, that is equal to 10. That means the fluorine containing 10 neutrons. Finally, we can conclude that fluorine containing 9 protons, 9 electrons and 10 neutrons. Now we discuss the concept of isotopes, isobars and isotones. Isotopes. What is meant by isotopes? Atoms with identical atomic number but different atomic mass numbers are known as isotopes. Isotopes have nearly identical chemical behavior but with different atomic masses and different physical properties. Isotopes of hydrogen are 1H1, 1H2, 1H3. That means 1H1 we can name it as a protium. This protium containing 1 proton and 1 neutron. Next, another form of isotope of hydrogen is deuterium, 1H2 or 1D2. This deuterium containing 1 proton and 2 neutrons. Tritium, 1H3 or 1T3. This tritium containing 1 proton, 3 neutrons. That means this hydrogen containing 3 different type of isotopes. That means the hydrogen will exist in 3 different physical forms, but their chemical behavior is same. Next, isotopes of carbon are C612, C613, C614. Isotopes of chlorine are chlorine 1735, chlorine 1737. That means in isotopes are having same atomic number but different mass numbers. Now we discuss isobars. What is meant by isobars? The atoms with the same mass number but different atomic numbers are called isobars. Example, carbon 614, nitrogen 714. When we observe these two atoms are having different atomic numbers, but mass number is same. So these two are an examples for isobars. Now we discuss isotones. What is meant by isotones? When two or more atoms having an equal number of neutrons but different atomic numbers are called isotones. Example, chlorine 1737, potassium 1939. When we observe these two atoms, their atomic numbers and mass numbers are different, but the total number of neutrons in chlorine and potassium are same, that is equals to 20. That means in isotones, different atoms are having same number of neutrons. We can finally conclude that in isotopes having same number of atomic number, isobars having same number of mass number, isotones having same number of neutrons. Thank you for watching this video.